Hello everyone, it's me Jabi from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to watch video in full screen mode in YouTube app without clicking full screen icon. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So if you're using an iPhone, iPad or Android tablets also, still the tricks will remain the same. So here firstly what you need to do is just open the YouTube application. So say I've opened my own YouTube channel. So here are tons of videos, right? So let me try to play one YouTube video. So here just tap on this video and you will see here on the right bottom one icon which is a full screen icon. If we click on it, it will show us the full screen mode. So here we are not going to use this full screen icon. Instead of that, what we will gonna do here is that just swipe up by placing your finger on the video just like this. So you can see here, and if you want to restore it back to the default view, then just swipe down. And now if you want to close this video, then just swipe down again and just swipe down once more, so the video is being closed. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily watch video in full screen mode in YouTube app without clicking full screen icon very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.